Okay, people, welcome. It's Greaselook Rally. I am making a collab channel with.
Card games on motorcycles. I mean Purple Jelly. Hi guys, PJ here. You may
So
know me.
this channel is called C Pyrotechnic Temple. We were just working on it for
If you're wondering about the origin of the name,
that took over 3 hours to figure out.
pyro, meaning fire, technic, pyrotechnics, and tempo is actually Growlers for Alligator from Soul Silver Run. If you want more reference, go watch episode 54 where he goes through Toho Falls. Yeah, basically this is going to be a channel for all kinds of stuff, reviews, and other stuff. Our first review after this video, which is our basic introduction, will be up tonight. So now I'm just going to leave Growlers to sing to end the video.